Here we go. Muln. Here we go. Perfect example again. Look at the risk to reward. I'm gonna enter now. I'm in right here. $8.32 is my stop. Close. Stop. $8.32. Let's see where it puts it. 8:30. I don't even know if it'll let me do that. Oh, yep. Why is that? Because it's right below VWAP. And then, right, because I know my risk, right? Because I know how many shares I have and I know what my risk to reward is. Because the other thing I can do is I could just scoot this up tighter, right? But I want this to have a little bit of range. Why? Because I have $300 in the trade. If I had, see there, boom. Again, do I want to be in the trade if it can't stay above VWAP?
No.
Not at
No.
all. No. Hell
Not
no.
enough,
Gotta
not enough
stay in the hole.
support.
Exactly. Now, right here. Now, what it did is it touched that one. I was off by 0.2 cents. It hit 183. So I should have been 183, but whatever. The moral of the story is if it cannot hold, and this is why I love trading around VWAP, especially with these smalls, and then I can go smalls, small entries, because the risk to reward is huge. Look at the reward. It's up here around $1.99, and my risk was what? Maybe $1.50 risk I put in there because I had $300 total, and it moved less than 2 cents, right? So again, always with the risk, which was here. Well, let me rephrase that. I bought it like here, and the risk was to here. This is my risk zone. But my reward zone was from here to here. You see the difference? Look at the difference. I will take that trade all day long. That is at least a 5-to-1. Sure, it costed me $1.50, right? But it could have made off of this, right? $20, $10, whatever it would have been. SPY, by the way, pulling right here, just like this, right here. Look, where are we at? This is in your video. Look at where you're at. You see this? This is a triple bottom. You should already know what to do. Here, here, and here. Look how long it took to get back here. Big moves. If that cannot hold here, where's it going to go? If it breaks and holds, where's it going to go? So isn't this a nice one to trade? Right here. There it goes long. There it goes.
Calls are dirt cheap.
Oh, yeah, but look at it. So right here, if I bought them, I could have a stop at, this 434.33. Why? Risk to reward. This is my risk. This is my reward. Do you see it?
Hey, coach, quick question. Do you wait for the subsequent candle to move in or
no? No. What is the rule, guys? How do we determine a break and hold?
Either a big long candle above or the next candle closes above.
There you go. And isn't this a big long candle?
Yes.
Yep. So why? So let's do this. Why would I say it's good off a long candle? Can anybody explain why?
Because it would take
you've got a lot of volume
to regress down.
Because it takes a long time. That's right. To come back. By the way, do you see the bounce off of this 430, 445? Do you see this going back to the upside here? So this is exactly what I was talking about. And even off this little move, right? This is a lot of money. This is a triple. So right here, if this breaks 434.45, Dawn, if this breaks this right here, it's going to pull really hard. You want to know why? Because it come back so fast. It shouldn't be down here, right? It should now be here. If it comes back fast, it means there's going to be huge pressure. If it stays, there goes the pop. That's the pop you've been looking for. If it stays up here, you should get a nice big pressure to the upside. If not, you'll get a giant pull because that's a ton of selling pressure, which says, hey, we don't want it going that way. Yeah, I mean, it's still going, right? Because now look, Now you're at a critical level. See it? This is where now if I'm a scalper, this is where I collect. Because if it then pops, that's okay. I'll let the other 50% go. Where did I say though, the possibility of this to move to?
VWAP.
That's right. Off of the bounce of here, right? We nailed it. Here, here, here. And I said VWAP, there's your move. Carter, you can put that in the end of the video with a big smiley face.